The part currently being processed is a circuit breaker component, as a key device for protecting household and industrial electrical safety. It is indispensable for its support. It is stamped from stainless steel strip, and before being assembled it looks like this. Next, let's walk through the entire process of automated screw driving. After stamping, the parts enter a vibratory feeder, which automatically sorts and arranges them before transferring them into the machine. Inside the system, a rotary indexing table is divided into 8 stations. Each step, including positioning, screw fastening, inspection, and transfer, is completed in sequence. At the fastening station, the automatic screw driving unit goes to work. The first screw is tightened within seconds, with an average locking speed of 0.8 seconds per screw and a precision of plus or minus 0.02 millimeters. A dedicated screw feeder supplies each screw in perfect order. At the next station, the second screw is tightened just as quickly and accurately. The inspection station then verifies assembly quality. Controlled by a computerized system, it achieves a 99.8% pass rate, effectively eliminating human error. As the table continues to rotate, the finished component is finally removably assembled and ready for use. As the camera pulls back, let's take a closer look at the power of this automatic assembly machine. Thank you for watching. See you next time.